Hey guys, this is your Apple Center, and this is, of course, your host, AJ Connie, and today I will be unboxing the Apple 30-pin to USB cable. Now this is also what they consider the syncing cable. So on the front you have your Apple logo, the 30-pin to USB, and then the picture of the cable. On the bottom, we all the information side, the back, the other side, and since this thing's already off, go ahead and open it up, and right there on top we have our cable. Pull that out, place that to the side. We got some information in here. Let's see what it is. Oh, here it is. Just a little booklet. 1 year limited warranty. That's about it for that. So. Okay, so pull this off. Okay, so there's our cable. Okay, go ahead and put this back in. Okay, go ahead and put this back in there. Go ahead and place that right there. So this is your syncing cable, or USB to 30-pin, or like to call it Thunder. So it will actually fit all the generations of iPod. So the 4th generation and under, and right here is my 4th generation, and it will also fit all of the iPhone 4S and under. So yeah, that's a good thing. Open the bottom up. Goes in nice and smoothly. So, yeah. So, hey guys, thanks for watching. I would like to point out that I do now have 1 subscriber, and I thank this subscriber for subscribing to my channel. I'll go ahead and pull him up. But hey guys, thanks for 1 subscriber. Subscribe, comment if you have any questions, and I'll share you the link to buy. This was only 19 bucks. So yeah. So hey, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. And here is the guy who subscribed to my channel. This is him. I think it's Mangle101. Go ahead and give him some more subscribers. But of course, always give your subscribers to me. So hey, thanks guys for watching. See you in my next video.